Trimmers, these bad boys. Let's go.
See what happens? Post it, let's see what. Yo, it's your main man Ty back on the attack with something that's absolute fire right here, man. Are you looking at this today? I'm telling you, man, these bad boys came out about a year and a half ago. About a year and a half ago. Whatever, these bad boys, about almost close to 2 years on the clipper, about a year on the trimmer. Okay, because before this, you see these two rose golds FX clippers and trimmers from Babyliss, okay? Now, this bad boy right here is off the chain. I'm going right to it. I got box and everything. I'm just going right to it. To the main things. These bad boys are absolutely gorgeous, man. When you see these things in person, you'll know what pretty is. I can't even capture it on the film, and you got to actually get these in your hand. I mean, they gotta be like, all like cruising all through your hand, man. Just feeling the ooh. You know what I'm saying? When you look into this rose gold, it's like sexy, just so pretty. I mean, so pretty. You don't even want to cut with it sometimes. It's like it's something you should just collect and put it on the shelf somewhere. And it's just absolutely beautiful, man. This is my main set, okay? This is my main set. This is my birthday present, honestly. Whatever. I got this bad as my birthday present. It's cool. It's off the chain, man. Look at even the blade is rose gold. Come on, man. I mean, come on. Look at this thing. This is crazy, man. Crazy. The blade is rose gold. And it's there with the FX rose gold lettering on it, stuff like that. The whole knot. Come on. It's just absolutely staggering beautiful. The whole thing. I mean, when I saw these online, it didn't look too attractive, but I got them. Like, oh, I saw my purpose. I was like, oh, no. I got to get these. These are the ones. What do you want for your birthday? This is what I want for my birthday. This is it right here. Did you see these bad boys? I mean, absolute fire, man. Absolute fire. I mean, with the logo on the back and stuff, you know. Come on, man. Come on. Ain't gonna mess with this. This is insane, man. Absolute fire, man. This thing is just incredible. The sound of these bad, I didn't untape it yet, man. I'm about to untape this bad boy. You know, cut it on. Nice sounding. Excellent, man. You know, excellent. They improved the sound of these bad boys for 2020 versions, man. It's nice and quiet and smooth and just sexy, and powerful, man. I mean, easy zero gapping, very smooth and beautiful, sexy, very sexy, man. Also, besides this one right here, I mean, we got, besides this one, the trimmer. Come on, man. Take this piece off right here. The trimmer. Sexy, beautiful, very fast, sleek, just everything you want in a trimmer. I mean, designed perfectly for the human hand. When we go like this, our hand is not square, it's rounded. It slides right heck in. Like I said, it's perfect. It relaxes you. Your hair's totally relaxed the whole time. You just cutting and dicing people's hair. Easy. And with the extended blade, man, come on, man. The long blade, cutting blade, please. Yo, man, I go through all kinds of hair. Doesn't matter if it's long, short, but also people who got, let's say, curly hair, okay? So if you got some brothers out there, you know, with the curly hair, you want to go to some brothers with your shop and I need my hair hooked up, well, get those little teeny ones. Get these bad ones right here. Have these right there ready. With this rose gold blade and hook them up, fly, man. Put that head up and it cuts right through it real nice. You will love these bad boys, guaranteed. Trust your main man. I'm telling you, these bad boys are hot, then trust, it's hot. These things are really awesome, man. I mean, really, really awesome. The bottom, you know, with the regular plug and then the hook at the bottom. Come on. The ring, fierce. Same thing here on the bottom, whatever, the next thing, the plate, the ring, also ferocious, just absolute ferocious, man. I mean, you just want to go to town. You want to cut hair. So you get these. Like, anybody need a haircut? You're ready to go. You understand? It's your main man tell you know these bad boys is hot. Get yourself a pair of these bad boys. You run about 7,200 RPMs here. Over here, you run about 6,000 RPMs. Matter of fact, let's take it to the videotape. I'm going to take it right here, right now. Okay, I'm going to go ahead. Real quick, as you see, we got it running. 7105, 7105, 7186, 7186. Okay, 7186. Okay, that's that. That's 7,200. 7,200. It wasn't playing around. This one right here. 62. 6217. Put it closer. 6217. 6217. So let y'all know right now, another one. Trust me, man, these bad boys is hot. You gotta get these bad boys. Your main man Ty let you know what's up. These are the original Babyliss FXs, whatever. This is not the original Babyliss FX trimmer though, because the original one was really big and it wasn't skeletonized. This one's a skeleton trimmer. When these came out, they came out with the gold, the silver, and then they redid the rose gold. The rose gold is absolutely beautiful on the skeleton. You've got to get these. These are some of the hottest clippers out in the market today. Get these, your main man Ty. Yo, what's up? Yo, as always, peace. And yo, one more thing for your main man Ty. Yo, not only are these really pretty and sexy with the rose gold stuff, but the breakdown is sexy too. Let me take this off, and let me take the trimmers out as well. The inside, the trimmer one's the instruction manual right here. Besides that, it's this box inside. And in the box, you have another little centerpiece for the thing. If you want to change your blade out, you can simply change your blade out with one of these bad boys. Put these in, the different types of blades. Also, the key comes with it. Another key with the screwdriver on the bottom. Screwdriver attachment on it. Blade setup with a little baby pop out screwdriver on the end. Right here. Also, a little teeny tiny Babyliss oil. Little tiny one. And a brush, which you get inside this bad boy. And that comes with the trimmer. Okay, the skeleton trimmer. Now, rose gold skeleton trimmer. Now, since the rose gold clipper right here, FX clipper. What comes inside is another key in black though. Your brush, your oil, your cord in case you want to do it wireless or wired. If you want to do it wired, plug it in instead. If not, just charge up your battery. Besides that, you got the ferocious. Let me show you so close. The ferocious clipper guards. I mean, they're absolutely just absolutely beautiful. Right here, look at this, man. I mean, look at these. Look at these, man. Look at these. This is incredible, man. And they're rose gold too. The premium joints are insane. All of them is absolutely one up. These are straight fire. I mean, straight fire and awesome. You want to put these out so your customers can see these. These bad boys are off the chain. I mean, off the chain, man. I'm telling you, bro, these bad boys are like the total one up. I mean, you got them all up in here. Trying to open this bad boy too. See, this is the first time I open this bad boy, see? I mean, look at these. Look at that. You know what I'm saying? I mean, come on, the rest of these. Here. Here. Alright. And here. 8 of them. All 8 of these bad boys. You know what I'm saying? All 8 guards. Premium guards. On display. For you to use. Rose gold premium guards used with your rose gold clipper, man. I'm telling you, man, this is straight fire. Once again, your man Ty said, yo, peace, enjoy yourself, man. Be careful out there, yo, and always one up your stuff. One up your equipment, man. Okay, keep your cuts coming out fire, man. Make your money come up. Do your thing, man. And this barber love is like one love, all of us, and from me to all of you. Peace.